All right, hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the secrets of success with understanding the habits of millionaires. Have you ever wondered what sets wealthy people apart from the average person? Well, there's specific habits and behaviors that differentiate those who have achieved wealth from those who still struggle to attain financial independence. If you emulate the habits of the wealthy, you can increase your level of wealth as well. If you're looking to level up your life and your financial game, stick around because I've got 11 tips to help you on your way to becoming financially independent. So let's get started. We're going to jump into habit number one, setting clear and ambitious goals. So let's jump into it here. So setting clear and ambitious goals. Millionaires often set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. We use SMART, S-M-A-R-T here. Again, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. Instead of settling for modest objectives, seek ambitious targets. It's going to push you out of your comfort zone and compel you to create some new solutions. Seek creative solutions here. Also, millionaires will write down their goals and they'll review them regularly to stay focused and motivated. Make sure this is something that becomes part of your daily habit. Number two, continuous learning. Millionaires understand that knowledge is power. They invest time and resources in self-education through books, through seminars, through courses, through networking, through services they join. They stay updated with the industry trends and they adapt to changes in the market. Remember, the more you learn, the more you will earn. Okay? Habit number three, time management. Millionaires prioritize tasks and they focus on those activities that generate the highest return. So many use planners or apps or methods like the Pomodoro technique to maximize productivity. They avoid wasting time on unproductive tasks and they focus on those actions that drive their personal and professional growth. They're not just hanging around chatting on the weekends and making notes in some Discord service. They're out there managing your time and putting in the time that makes the most sense to them. Not just chit chat, but actually trying to learn or generate some more return. Again, effective time management is going to help you get the most out of every single day. Habit number four, financial discipline. Millionaires understand the importance of controlling their finances. They create budgets, they track their spending, they save and invest a portion of their income, in fact, a significant portion of their income. Millionaires often live below their means, avoiding unnecessary expenses. Most of the millionaires I know aren't living this extravagant life. They're not driving the Lambos. They don't have 10 cars. Maybe if you get to a certain stratosphere, that's something. Most of them make plenty of money, but they don't spend the same ratio of money like you and I do. They're living below their means. This awareness also enables them to make informed decisions and avoid impulsive spending, and they direct their resources towards financial growth. So when you're saving here and not spending quite as much, they're putting more and more of their resources towards those assets that will actually grow and make them more money. Habit number five, multiple income streams. Millionaires diversify their income sources to reduce risk and increase financial stability. They don't pull all their resources and just stick them all in one asset. They're going to distribute their investments into businesses, to real estate, to stocks, to trading, to other ventures. This diversification protects them against excessive risks and market fluctuations. It's going to ensure the continuous growth of their wealth. Generating multiple income streams. At this point in time, you should have multiples. And if you've heard me before, I'm telling people, don't give up your day job yet just because you can trade successfully. It's an income stream. Your day job, income stream. Trading, income stream. Maybe dividends, income stream. Maybe you have a small side business or side hustle, income stream. Maybe you have real estate, income stream. Look to add as many of these as possible before you start to pull one away. Millionaires have multiple income streams. They're not just sitting at home waiting for all of these assets to generate that money. They're out there actively generating money, many times still earning that paycheck late into life. All right, habit number 6, taking calculated risks. Millionaires are not afraid to step out of their comfort zone and invest in promising opportunities, even if it involves a certain degree of risk. They're not opposed to spending money if they feel there's a return in there. Millionaires understand the value of ROI, the value of return on investment. You put something in and hopefully you get back tenfold in information or in return. Okay? They carefully assess the risks and they ensure that they're making informed decisions, but hopefully those decisions are aligned with their financial goals. But what I have found is the people that struggle the most don't get ROI. They're afraid to spend $50 or $100 or $150 on some kind of a service or a training, or they don't want to spend $5,000 on a course or an education that's going to potentially earn them more money long term. The people that are smartest and are making the most money, they're willing to invest in themselves. Okay? And they're willing to take these risks to do that. All right, meticulous planning. Millionaires are planners. Okay, they set clear financial goals. They create detailed plans to achieve them. This systematic approach enables them to track their progress, adjust their strategies when necessary, and ensure that they're on the right path to wealth. Having a planner, okay, like this one that I'm holding in my hand, okay, can make a huge difference in keeping you on track. Okay, be a planner, be organized, set clear goals, and create a detailed plan on how to achieve them. Same thing when we're trading or investing. Create a trade plan and make sure it's detailed. It gives you all of the reasons to get in and how to get out of your particular trades. All right, habit number 8, networking and connections. Millionaires build valuable relationships with like-minded people. They understand that networking and collaborating with other successful individuals can drive their growth. They invest their time, their effort into cultivating strategic connections, knowing that these relationships can open doors to new opportunities. They understand the value of mentorship and are both mentees and mentors as well. Everybody that I know of that has really made it and become successful has had somewhat of a mentor somewhere. I have had multiple mentors. I have a service now that hopefully I'm being a mentor to others. Okay, so I've been a mentee, and I still am, as well as trying to be a mentor to others. Okay, I want to network with people. I've often said it, and you've heard it on my videos. If you're the smartest person in the room, you're in the wrong room. Get into a service, get somewhere where there's smarter people than you that are going to push you, make you better. Okay, that networking and those connections are invaluable. It's not just the fact that I'm learning something in some of these groups that I'm in. Okay, I'm also networking and creating connections with people, okay, that can help me become even more successful in my life. And also, you have to understand the concept of having to give to get. Okay? Understand to have to give something to get something. Give of your time, give of your knowledge. Hopefully, I'm doing that with all of you here on this YouTube channel. I'm giving a lot of knowledge out there. Hopefully, what I get back is connections and more information and more trade ideas and more strategies and feedback on my particular trades. Okay, not just, oh, your videos are, blah 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 or blah blah blah, or you missed something here, or you're not. Okay, I'm not people that are critical. Maybe there's something I can take away that can help me be even better. Okay, but I'm also looking for those people that are giving me really good constructive stuff to work from, okay, that I can connect with. All right, habit number 9, seizing opportunities. Millionaires excel in their ability to seize opportunities. They keep an eye out for emerging trends, for promising market niches, and for potential profitable investments. They will look for those types of opportunities, okay, and they'll seize on them. So they really analyze and look at opportunities, and they can act quickly and seize these opportunities that arise, while most people are still just analyzing and hesitating. Okay? They're great decision makers. They're decisive decision makers. Millionaires, and if you want to be one, you have to really become great at making a decision, being decisive, but following your plan, but just being open to seizing opportunities that may come by. There are always an opportunity, whether it's in investing or trading or stocks or businesses that come along. Be able to quickly analyze the ROI on that and make a decision, okay? Understanding that it takes a little bit of risk to make some money. Without the risk, there is no reward. Okay, habit number 10, investing wisely. Millionaires don't get carried away by fads or promises of quick returns. They make informed investment decisions, and they understand the importance of diversifying their portfolio. They analyze investment opportunities. They take into account, their risk tolerance, the potential return, the alignment with their goals. They'll look at all of those opportunities, and that's how we help you build your financial plans in our service as well. Okay, they look at these things, and they can then master also the law of compounding, and they purchase assets that generate cash flow. Right, so investing wisely, analyzing the opportunities, understanding their own risk and the return. Again, that's back to that ROI again, understanding those things so that you can invest into the right vehicles to move you forward. And again, buying assets that generate more assets or cash, okay, is key. Buying assets that don't generate more cash. What am I talking about? Homes. Unless you're buying real estate, but your own home, your cars, okay? Any types of things that you're taking debt out on, most likely, are assets that don't generate you any income. Oh, well, Tom, my house is going to appreciate in value. Maybe it will, maybe it don't. We don't know, okay? But it's not going to generate you cash like real estate would. It's not going to generate you cash like selling covered calls would, or trading would. Okay. We want you to look for assets that are going to generate more income for you down the road. Don't take out loans and don't invest in assets that don't generate you cash. So again, invest wisely. And then habit number 11 here, millionaires have a resilient mindset. They maintain a positive attitude, and they believe in their ability to achieve their goals. Millionaires remain resilient in the face of challenges. They know the path to wealth is not easy, and that they'll inevitably encounter some kind of an obstacle or a setback along the way. But the key here is that millionaires, wealthy, and successful people also understand that setbacks are opportunities and a way to learn from them to drive their own personal and financial growth down the road. Every setback, every loss is an opportunity to learn and get better. And that has to be your mindset is, I didn't just take a loss on a trade, okay, or an investment that I put in. It's, what did I do wrong? How can I do better? Let's take risk and do it again with a better mindset and a better plan going forward. Gratitude, visualization, affirmations, they're often part of the daily routine of millionaires. All right, so there you have it. 11 habits of millionaires that can transform your life. Start your habits now by typing in the comments below at least one takeaway from this video. So if you would, in the comments below, give me one takeaway. Which of those 11 habits really resonates from you? Or maybe it's one or more, but what is your number one takeaway from the video? That will start you off by creating a habit that's going to help you become that millionaire down the road or grow your wealth. Okay. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so that you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.